The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the remote control to adjust your Freestylist. The systems come factory preset for the proper dryer weight. When you pull the dryer down to chest height and let go of it, it will float down slowly. Do not change this adjustment. The adjustment is for if you ever switch to a different weight dryer in the future. As stylists are not used to the weightless dryer, their mind often plays tricks on them pertaining to the weight of the dryer. We recommend stylists stay with these settings for 3 weeks so they become acclimated to the new experience. Typically, the desire to adjust the weight and feel of the dryer goes away. The dryer should be adjusted to the proper height and tension. Proper height adjustment. The bottom of the dryer's handle should be about 2 to 4 inches above your head when your dryer is put back up to its resting height. Proper tension or dryer feel. Pull the dryer down to chest height, let go of it. Your dryer should float down very slowly. The remote control is used to change the resting height and feel of your dryer. To activate the remote control features, pull the dryer down to chest height. This turns on the internal adjustment capabilities. To adjust the dryer's resting height, pull the dryer down to chest height. Press and hold the up or down arrow button for a few seconds to change the dryer's resting position. Lift the dryer back up to the resting height to check. Repeat until the dryer is where you want it. To adjust the dryer's feel, pull the dryer down to chest height. To make the dryer feel lighter, press and hold the plus button for 5 to 10 seconds. To make the dryer feel heavier, press and hold the minus button for 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat these steps as needed. When the dryer is pulled down and let go of, it stays in one place. This means it is adjusted too tight. Depressing the minus button loosens the dryer. This is dropping way too fast. This is too loose. Using the plus button to add a little more tension. Now it floats down just right. Notice the dryer's height. We are raising the dryer's resting height by pressing the up arrow. Now we lower the resting height by pressing the down arrow. The bottom of the dryer's handle should be 2 to 4 inches above your head.